Vivo V20 44MP eye autofocus selfie delight every moment. Let's take a look at the photography highlights of V20. 44MP eye autofocus selfie with the clarity and focus that you want. Key benefits are sharp eye autofocus from 15 cm to 60 cm and sharp autofocus from even longer distance in selfie and selfie videos. Super Night Selfie 2.0 with Aura screen light. Key benefits: instant preview, no wait time, best lighting effect. Rear camera setup includes 64MP main rear camera, 8MP multifunction camera and a 2MP mono camera. Key video features of V20 are as mentioned below. Key photography features of V20 are as mentioned below. Key rear camera photography features of V20 are as mentioned below. Let's take a look at the benefits of these. 44MP autofocus selfie, 64MP rear camera setup with a combination of lots of amazing features for both front and rear camera. Thank you.